Welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. So today I'm going to teach you how to create a woman in Infinity Craft. So let's just go ahead and do this. You need fire and put water on top of that and you get smoke. And now you get water, put it underneath here. Let's just do a sec here. Put it underneath here and you got fire also. Let's pick fire. And you got steam. Then after that, go ahead and pick the earth here, put it on top of the steam, you get mud. And put mud underneath here, earth. There you go. And you get dust. And put earth on top of dust and you got the planet here. And now let's just keep on going. We're rolling now. So go ahead and add smoke here. Once you have the smoke, just go ahead and add the water to the smoke. Now you have fog. And now I want you to drag the fog on top of the planet here and you get Venus. And then Venus, you put mud on Venus here. Boom, and you get Adam. So there's your man right here. And after Adam, you just go ahead and add Venus to Adam. And there you go, you have a woman, Eve. So I hope this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tricks Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.